We started in the flipping houses business, and we're still in that business today. But what it lends us to be able to do is really, have a good sense of value of what we're loaning on out there. We were in the 08, 9, and 10 debacle. We not only made it through it, but we prospered. And I don't think what we're going through now is going to be anywhere near that. We learned a long time ago that the speed of money is more important than the cost of money many times. We built a company on speed, and we've been able to keep selling that speed for over 23 years now. And we've always done this, but even more today is look at that client's liquidity. Does this person have the cash to make it through the process? And what we saw in 08, 9, and 10, when investors fixed up their houses, they could not sell them, and they run out of cash during that process, so they couldn't sell the house. The lesson learned for the investor should be rent, because when sales, suffer, rents go up and rents, perform at a very high level. When the market turns like it's turning now with proper adjustments, it's a positive, okay? I think there's a little bit too much talk of doom and gloom, but with proper adjustment, when your market turns, you can actually do very well with proper adjustments. So what we're doing is we do a lot of coaching with our clients, and Johnny's the master at it. We'll either help them sell it, we'll help them get into long-term financing to rent it. And if the market severely turns, then we'll teach them how to own or finance and note their way out of it. But I think it's way too early to push panic buttons. You just need to be monitoring what's going on and watching and make proper adjustments. And this turn in the market doesn't bother us a whole lot, because we think we're pretty good at making adjustments and coaching those adjustments. The number one indicator, statistically speaking, is number of actives of single-family houses for sale in your market. We track it daily. About an hour ago, Houston had 15,631. And we look at it all the time. Number one indicator. And so you need to get familiar with your market. What's that number of actives? And more importantly, not the number, the trend of that number. And we're obsessed with that number. We watch it daily.